What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes. My name is Joe. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. And my day is just starting out right now. I'm about to head out. Today is Sunday, so going to church. But before I get out of here, let me show you a little quick daily routine that I do. So, here's my cup. I got two lemons in the cup. And what I like to do is, once I drop the lemons down in the cup, I usually just poke it. Get a lot of the lemon juice out of it. Then once I got that, boom, apple cider vinegar with mother. Shake it up. Tablespoon. 1 and 2. So 2 tablespoons in there. Sometimes I like it to let it steep a little bit in here for a couple of minutes since it is an acid, and you get like lemon oil coming from the skin or the rind of the lemon. And then I'm going to fill this with some water. Be right back. Boom! There we go. We have the drink ready to go. Let's go. Ooh. Now, as you can see, my reaction, it is quite the drink to get used to. But wash this down. Remember, when you're taking this drink, you want to have your water ready. Have a straw. Warning, warning, warning. Do not, repeat, do not drink this stuff straight with no water to dilute it. It is acid. It can really wreak havoc on your teeth enamel. You have to dilute it down, and then also have some water ready once you do drink it down. That way you'll be able to dilute it even further, rinse your mouth out. Use a straw, because if you don't use a straw, all that stuff is washing all along your teeth. So, apple cider vinegar drink. Before I walk out the door, this stuff is doing this magical thing, and my stomach sloshing around, but I'm really getting some really good nutrients. But at the same time, it has so many other health benefits as far as being able to help with digestion, help with blood sugar. If you're a diabetic, it can really help you as well. And it's something that you can just go to the grocery store and get. There you got it, guys. Apple cider vinegar in the morning before you eat anything. Take it at night. That's what I do. And we're good to go. All right. That's it for me from Recipejoes. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Press it right after you pour it.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.